Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to explore an amazing AI tool called GlobalGPT.com. This platform gives you access to hundreds of powerful AI models in one place, so you don't need to switch between different websites. Everything is available in a single dashboard, which makes your work super easy. The link is in the description, so you can try it yourself. Now, let's get started. Dashboard Overview. Once you click the link and create your account, you will see a dashboard like this. Here, you will find different features like Chat Image Video Agent Search. So basically, this is a complete AI toolkit. Let's start with the chat feature. Inside the chat section, you can choose different AI models and start writing, coding, or asking questions. It supports popular models like ChatGPT, Claude Gemini, Grok Seedance, 2.0 Perplexity, and many more. Now I will select ChatGPT latest model. I will paste a prompt. Explain the future of AI in simple words with real-life examples. You can also enable options like Search Deep Research, very powerful for detailed answers. Now I click on Generate. And as you can see, it gives detailed explanation, real-life examples, clean and easy-to-understand answers. Now, let's try another example. Compare iPhone versus Android in 2026 with pros and cons, and tell which is better for students. Click Generate again. Now you can see full comparison table, pros and cons, clear recommendation. So this is very useful for students, creators, and professionals. You can also switch between models anytime and compare results. That's the best part. Image generation feature. Now, let's move to the image section. Here you can create AI images using different models like Nano Banana, Ideogram, GPT, Image Seedream, and more. I will select Nano Banana. It's trending right now. Now, I enter a prompt. A cute baby panda wearing sunglasses, sitting on a beach, colorful cartoon style. Then go to Settings, choose Aspect Ratio, select Resolution, click Generate, and boom, our image is ready. You can also turn on Enhance Prompt Change Style, Cartoon to Realistic. Let's try converting it into a realistic image. Click Generate again, and now you can see the realistic version. Looks amazing. Now let's check the most exciting part, video generation. Here you can create AI videos using models like Sora, Grok, Kling, Google, Video, and more. I will enter a prompt. Now, let's try another model like Seedance 2.0. Select Duration Aspect Ratio, click Generate. After a few seconds, your video is ready. You can also download videos in HD quality, which is perfect for content creators. Why this tool is awesome? So why should you use GlobalGPT? All AI tools in one place. Multiple models support, easy to use, saves time and money. Great for content creators, students, and businesses. So guys, this is GlobalGPT.com, a complete AI solution. If you want to try it, the link is in the description. Go ahead and explore all the features yourself. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.